Good morning, everyone. Good morning to all the students of class 7th of Army Public School, Mao. Dear children, today we are going to start off with chapter 34 of English grammar, synonyms and antonyms. What are synonyms? Synonyms are the words that have the same meaning or nearly the same meaning of any given word. Antonyms are the words that have the opposite in meaning of any given word. Synonyms means similar to, antonyms means opposite to. Synonyms and antonyms. Children, why are we studying synonyms and antonyms? It is so because all of you should understand the meaning of these two words, and it is so important because from examination point of view, whenever there are comprehension questions, when you are given a unseen passage, sometimes a question comes that you are supposed to find a synonym of a word given in the question, and you have to find a synonym of that word from the passage that you have read. Similarly, you have to find a antonym of the word given in the question, and you have to find the opposite of that given word from the passage. So it is very important for all of you to understand what are synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms are the words which have the same meaning. In English language, we generally do not have we do not have words that have the exact meaning, but we should always remember that in what context or we should understand in what way the word has been used. Let me read certain words and their synonyms. We have a word admit. So the synonym of the word admit is confess. Synonym of the word anger is fury. Ancient, which means old. Allow, permit. Angry, mad. Abrupt, sudden. Absolutely, totally. Bush, shrub. Beautiful, pretty. Blame, accuse. Bliss, happiness. Brave, daring. Begin, start. Build, construct. Brief, concise. Create, which means to make. Coming up more words. Create, make, cruel, mean, carefree, light-hearted, creative, inventive, coarse, rough, calm, quiet. Children, you should not you should understand the difference between the word quiet and quiet. Here we have QUIET, which means to be calm, clever, smart, command, order, conceal, hide, decorate, embellish, drink, gulp, doctor, physician, difficult, challenging, depart, leave, damage, loss, disgrace, dishonor, decrease, reduce, danger, which means peril, enemy, foe, eminent, outstanding, enough, sufficient, excess, surplus, faithful, loyal, false, untrue, factual, true, fad, craze, flourish, thrive, fight, argue, fall, autumn. Forgive, pardon, force, compel, grand, magnificent, glow, shine, gaiety, happiness. Gaiety, happiness, help, aid, honor, prestige, cruel, mean, carefree, light-hearted, creative, inventive, coarse, rough, calm, quiet, clever, smart, command, order, conceal, hide, decorate, embellish, drunk, intoxicated. Some more words and their synonyms are handsome, good looking, lousy, which also means awful, hunger, starvation, mistake, error, housebreaking, burglary, miserly, stingy, if, weather. This is the weather which is the conjunction, not the weather, weather, but it is pronounced the same. Nice, decent, immediate, instant, nature, character, impartial, neutral, pain, agony, impolite, rude, pause, break, informal, casual, regret, grieve, innocent, harmless, significant, important, instruction, directions, savage, wild, jealous, envious, sacred, holy, joy, delight, sympathy, pity, jump, leap, wish, desire, long, elongated, weary, tired. These were the words, and some of these words had their synonyms. Now we come to exercise number A of page number 226. Can you solve the puzzle by filling the synonyms of the given words across and down? Admit, what would be admit? Confess, Confess. Number 2, which is down, and the clue for this is begin. So it starts with START. Number 3, factual, across, which means TRUE, true. Number 4, lesson. For lesson, REDUCE, reduce. Number 5 is force, COMPEL, compel. Number 6, faithful, LOYAL. Here we have exercise number B coming up. You can mark them in your textbook with the help of your pencil. Children, please also write the date here on the top of the exercise. You can write 1, 2, 3 to make the pairs. Make 7 pairs of synonyms from the words given below. Permit would be allow. Dishonor would be, the synonym for dishonor would be disgrace. Aid, the synonym for aid would be, can anyone suggest? It would be help. Drink, synonym for drink will be guard. Synonym for inventive, creative has the same meaning as inventive. Fury would have the same meaning as anger. Craze will have the same meaning as fad. Coming up is the next topic, antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are words that are opposite in meaning. Let me read some words and their antonyms to you. Arrogant means humble. The opposite of arrogant will be humble. Bravery, cowardice. All, none. Coarse, smooth. Abstract, concrete. Collect, scatter. Accept, reject. Cruel, kind. Admit, deny. Calm, nervous. Attack, defend. Cheap, the opposite of cheap is going to be expensive. Attract, repel. Opposite of common will be rare. Opposite of bold will be timid. Opposite of classic will be trending. Moving up to next page of your grammar book would be page 227. Some more words and their antonyms. Big, small, cramped, spacious, enmity. Friendship, knowledge, ignorance, expand, contract, masters. Antonym would be servant, encourage, discourage, pardon, punish, freedom, slavery. Private, the antonym for private is public, fertile, barren. Pleasure, opposite of pleasure will be pain. Follow, lead. Rigid, the opposite of rigid will be flexible. Guilty, innocent, serious, trivial. Gloomy, cheerful. Sunny, cloudy, good, evil. Transparent, opaque. Grant, withhold. Valuable, valueless. Happiness, misery. Victory, defeat. Honor, shame. Vowel, consonant. Hope, despair. Wisdom, folly. Hungry, satisfied, win, lose. Humble, proud, wild, tame, innocent. Opposite will be guilty, within, without. These were some of the words and their antonyms which I have read to you. Children, you should know, whenever you find a word and you have difficulty in finding the antonym, you should always refer to a book called Thesaurus. Thesaurus is a book of words which will have the meanings as well as synonyms and antonyms. Coming up is exercise number C. We have to do what does the question say? The question is asking, give the antonym for the following words. Here we have the first word, attack. We have to write the antonym of the word attack. Antonym for attack will be defend, admit, deny, bravery, cowardice, classic, trendy, courage, discourage. Question number D. Make 5 pairs of antonyms from the words given below. Here we have 10 words and we have to make pairs of all these words. First word is contract. The opposite of contract will be expand. Opposite of timid will be bold. Opposite of none will be all. Opposite of lead will be follow. Opposite of gloomy will be cheerful. Now, apart from words which have got antonyms which we have already read, we can also form antonyms by adding certain prefixes with the help of prefixes like un, in, im, il, ir, dis, miss. For example, words with the prefix n will be unable, unemployed, unequal, unfair, unfortunate, unhappy, uncertain. What are prefixes? The two-letter words, two-letter digraph which are coming before the root word. For example, in the word unable, un is the prefix and able is the root word. Here we have another prefix in. For example, we have intolerable. The two letters in are the prefix for the word intolerable. Insecure, incomplete, indirect, insensitive, inhuman, insincere. Impossible, prefix impossible, impolite, immoral, imperfect, improbable, impatient, imbalance. Ill, prefix ill-treat, illogical, illegal, illiterate, illegible. Prefix irregular, irrational, irresponsible, irreconcilable. Prefix disobey, disgrace, disappear, disagree, dislike, disorder, displease. Prefix misbehave. The prefix mis has been written before the word behave, so it becomes misbehave becomes the antonym for the word behave. Misprint, misfit. Misfit becomes the antonym for the word fit. Similarly, all the words, these are the antonyms for the root words with the help of the prefixes that we have already read. Misdeed is the antonym for the word deed. Misunderstand is the antonym for the word understand. Exercise number E. Use the prefixes in, im, ir or dis to make antonyms. Use each prefix twice. Now here you have qualify. What will be the prefix that you can use for qualify, which will form which will form an antonym of the word? We can use disqualify. Okay, the word prefix dis for qualifies. Sensitive, in, the prefix in added to sensitive becomes insensitive, which is the opposite of sensitive. Direct, and we have to make the antonym of the word direct, that is the opposite of the word direct. So what is the prefix that we can use? We can use indirect. Obedient, opposite, that is the antonym for the word obedient. So we can use the prefix dis, disobedient. Responsible, antonym for the word responsible, opposite for the word responsible, irresponsible. Patient, opposite of the word patient, using the prefix impatient. Children, with this we come to the end of today's chapter, synonyms and antonyms. Please do read pages number 225, 226 and 227 for better understanding of the words which you may sometimes find it in your unseen passages and comprehension, which will help you to build up your vocabulary. Thank you, all of you.